That's the ocean straight ahead. So cool. Perfect. So a few weeks ago, I was sent an Outlaw Extreme chassis kit by UGRC, and I built myself a comp crawler, dedicated. I don't know if you saw the video or not, but I'll link it in the video somewhere here where you can see it. Anyway, I thought I would come out to the ocean, because there is a lot of rocks along the shore here where I can give this a proper test. Right by the tide pool, shall we? Wonderful video to relax to fall asleep to be inspired by, to try the great hobby of radio control. Beautiful. Let's go down there. I have my electronics covered in something called acrylic conformal coating. I've showed it on my channel before. It helps to make things splash resistant, especially when I'm dealing with seawater. Ooh. Good, good, good. At the end of this run, I will be thoroughly washing this vehicle to get all the salt off of the screws, or you will find that they rust over time if you use your crawler near the ocean. Some people will never have to worry about that, but there are others that will benefit from that information. What a butter smooth rig. Straight into the crevasse. And then straight up. I don't know if you can see that side hilling, but it is. There you go. Now it's straightening itself out. Almost touching. But not today.
It's just fun to drive. It's a nice twist. Over. Oh, dang gate. Oh. I knew I had to hit a gate, damn it. That's okay. The new gate can just be down there. Very nice. Yep. Oh, no. Oh, good. Oh, we can crawl out of that. Sorry, sir, I do not have crab crawl, but I like your style. Very good. Would you like some help into the water, sir? I guess if you wanted in the water, you'd be there. Come on. No seagull's gonna get you on my watch. Away from the seagulls. Look at all the snail shells. You're all alive. Let's leave them be. Dang it. One of my links popped out. Just one of the screws, the nut came out, but guess what? I brought a screw kit and tools and an extra battery. Yay! back in business. And now for the hardest climb of the entire video. I don't think it can be done. Looks like I'm going this way today. A beautiful crawl it's been, my friends. Yes. Oh no 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 no! Oh, what a save! Almost into the pit of destruction. I do this simply because I love it. I always have enjoyed it. And if I can get others out there enjoying this hobby, building their own machines, getting out and exploring their areas, then that makes this 100% worth it. Thanks for joining me today, and maybe I earned your subscription, and maybe I'll see you again in the next video. Bye.